Lavigne of the
Yan.
Philippines.
Avril Lavigne,
Mars.
is that how you
Yeah.
would say it?
Ganda. Pwede.
Hindi ba Gwen Stefani? I wanted Gwen Stefani.
Pwede rin naman.
And then, I remember, nung time na yun, dahil ginusto kong mag-Little Miss Philippines, hindi ako pwede magreklamo, Mars.
Another one naman na bet ko when I got older was, alam mo, for some reason, gusto ko magmukhang nanay. So, yung mga outfit anong nanay ko, ganyan yung gusto kong suot.
So, I remember, basta mini-makeupan ako, feeling ko ang ganda ko.
Tama. Tama.
But then, later on, as I discovered, at ngayon, na-compare ko na siya na, yan pala yung itsura ko, but hindi naman ako nagagandahan. Good morning, mga Mars!
Or good afternoon, or good evening.
Good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. Wow, and kasi
Oy.
pa International Mars.
Totoo.
Diba? So, kung hey Facho, ano ba?
Wow,
Ano, Happy New Year?
Tama ka, everyone.
Bonjour.
Uunahin na namin babatiin yung mga nanonood sa amin sa iba't ibang lugar. Bukod, of course, dito sa Pilipinas,
Yes,
diba? Marami tayo sa Canada.
Yes. Meron tayo Australia.
Australia meron.
Shreya.
Ikaw lang naiintindihan nila, Mars.
Oo. From Mongolia.
Wow!
Somebody's watching us from Mongolia.
It's amazing.
So nakakatuwa na ang dami nating naaabot dito sa ating podcast na
Kami ang inyong mga... Yes! Okay, now for today, it's quite interesting because this isn't a topic that we actually thought of. But it
Yeah.
came from Susie's sister.
Yes.
Maggie!
Hi, Meg!
Alam mo,
Hey, Meg.
binavalue talaga namin, Meg, yung iyong mga suggestions, opinions. Mahalaga sa amin yan.
At bilang lagi ka naman namin binabanggit sa podcast na to,
Mag-guest
might
ka
as well.
dito.
Oo nga. Parang alam mo, sino ba yung Meg na? So Meg is our youngest sister. Tapos lagi siya nanonood ng podcast natin. Tawang-tawa siya. Tapos nun, sabi niya nga, pwede ba ako mag-suggest? Kasi I feel like ang gandang pag-usapan ang fashion. Kasi every time I look at you guys, kita naman na medyo iba-iba yung forma ninyo. Although we do make the effort to wear
match.
the same
Yes,
color.
yes.
Pero iba-iba yung interpretation natin dyan.
Correct.
And it's not even something that we even thought of
Oh,
na
no.
talking about.
No.
So when it came up, I'm like, nga no, iba-iba nga talaga tayo.
Correct. Kasi kung isipin mo, kung topic na fashion, kailangan ba medyo influencer ba? In terms of fashion ba? Yung parang,
Kailangan heart evangelista.
oh, parang ganun. So parang, ayoko naman pag-usapan
Wala
yung
pa-
fashion ko. Parang
do we,
ganun.
Am I
do we
even
not have the
worthy to even
license?
say, you know,
Yan.
Do we have
to
the
share
license
about
to talk
fashion?
about?
Oo.
Pero ang interesting nga naman, kung una sa lahat, bakit iba-iba yung forma natin?
Yan.
What we all find attractive.
Yes.
Bakit in a row of clothes, ito yung pipiliin mo versus the
Correct.
rest?
Tama.
Bakit? I'm so excited!
And we can also talk about how our fashion has changed over the years.
Ganda.
Hindi na ako
Diba?
maka-keep up, Mars.
Ay, hindi talaga.
Because this is not the Iya that I used to be. Like the way I dress now.
Parang punk
I
rock
re-
yung
Diba,
medyo
Mars?
dati.
Street
Oo,
fashion.
Oh, yeah!
Tsaka medyo tusok-tusok yung buhok mo, tama ba?
Huwag na natin isama yung buhok.
Ay, oo.
Hindi, parang emo, parang yung
Yan.
bangs niya nandyan. Insert photo.
Good luck, team.
Meron
Mag-provide
yan.
ka.
Makakita yun sa mix
Ayan,
lang. Ang dami
may
ng
mahahanap
ganun.
pa talaga
Yung
sila
mga
niyan.
naka-ano yun, off-shoulder.
Yan.
Avril Lavigne of the
Yan.
Philippines.
Avril Lavigne,
Mars.
is that how you would
Yeah.
say it?
Ganda. Pwede.
Hindi ba Gwen Stefani? I wanted Gwen Stefani.
Pwede rin naman.
Pwede rin naman. Well, ikaw naman ang
balikan yung
masusunod,
years na
Mars.
yun?
Oo, tusok-tusok din naman yung buhok ni Gwen
Diba,
Stefani
pwede
at
naman,
some point.
diba?
Blonde lang siya. Kaya naisip
Yeah.
namin ni
Yung
Camila Avril
Tsaka
Lavigne.
parang mas mapants ka kasi. Parang napapansin ko mas
yes, so
mapantalan
let's
ka.
talk about that in today's episode because talaga it
Yes.
really has changed over the years. Okay, so let's talk about, should we talk about the then before the now?
Pwede.
Pwede.
Like nung
Oh my
bata
gosh.
kayo, do you remember certain outfits na pagsuot nyo yun, gandang-ganda kayo sa sarili nyo? Kasi fashion, I think, is that eh. It's how that makes you feel when you wear it. So meron bang mga outfit dyan na parang pag sinuot nyo, Mami, ito yung gusto ko suotin. Yan na naman susuotin
Actually,
mo.
you know what, Suze? Pagdating sa fashion, wala akong maisip, but pagdating sa makeup,
Okay. Nice.
pagdating sa makeup, kasi kasama naman yun sa fashion, di ba?
Yes.
Of course. Okay, so I remember, basta mini-makeupan ako, feeling ko ang ganda ko.
Tama. Tama.
But then, later on, as I discovered, nung nahanap ko na yung totoong ganda ko, at ngayon, na-compare ko na siya na, yan pala yung itsura ko, but hindi naman ako nagagandahan. Pero yung malagyan lang ako ng foundation,
Yeah.
malagyan lang ako ng lipstick, ng eyeshadow, ng kilay, feeling ko ang ganda ko na. Pero, now that I understand how makeup should work, it doesn't necessarily mean that just because if you haven't applied it correctly,
Correct.
hindi lalabas yung ganda mo. So that's what I discovered na before, akala ko nga,
Basta may makeup
basta
ka,
may
okay
makeup
na.
ako, ang ganda ko.
Hindi pala bagay.
Hindi pala bagay.
Yeah.
Pero ang maganda, nung time na yun yung na-feel mo.
Yun yung
Yes.
na-feel ko. Feel ko naman, I mean, I guess at the end of the day, kung
Oo.
saan ka feeling ganda.
Oo, and that's what matters the most. Ikaw, be, syempre bata ka pa lang, nag-aartista ka na.
Oo nga,
Meron bang
Mars.
pinasuot sa'yo o meron ka bang pinuntahang event nung maliit ka pa lang or teenager na parang feeling mo, my gosh, I nailed it.
Or may favorite ka bang ribbon na sinusuot dati na...
Parang unang naalala ko, Mars, di ba sumali ako ng Little Miss Philippines? So, meron akong gown. Yung gown na yun, ginawa ng tita ng mommy ko. Kapitbahay namin siya.
Oh, paggawa talaga, hindi renta.
Oo, pagawa, Mars. Talagang mananahe. Tapos, alam mo yung syempre, di ba mga tulyan na
Yes.
ang di ko makalimutan, Mars, sobra niyang kate.
Yes,
Na
Mars.
nakakaiyak, na pag hinubad mo, pula yung katawan mo. Ganon.
Kasi gas-gas.
Kasi
Oo.
gas-gas.
Yeah, yeah.
Lahat ng pinagtahian dito sa loob, nakatusok
At
yung
saka
lahat
dito
sa
sa
katawan
kilikili,
mo.
Mars. Ang sakit niyan.
Tapos, ang style kasi nun, parang siyang baby doll. So, may ganun na.
Yes.
May ganun pa. So, meron din dito, nakapaikot sa
oo
dibdib
nga,
mo.
oo
Tapos,
nga.
tapos, putol na naman sa waist. Tusok na naman. And then, I remember, nung time na yun, dahil ginusto kong mag Little Miss Philippines, hindi ako pwede magreklamo, Mars. Kasi si mommy parang, kang magulo. Kang gusto mo to, di ba? So, for the tiis, Mars, tiis ganda. At eto pa, Mars, nanalo ko ng best in gown.
Diba?
Tiis
It was
ganda.
worth it.
Tiis ganda. So that's what I my first probably awareness of what fashion is. As I was growing, I remember my mom, we went to Hong Kong and we shopped for clothes.
Aha.
As in, metallic, colorful. I have photos of that. Tapos pati sapatos ko, Mars, puro neon, silver. Yun siguro
Eye-catching talaga.
Oo, Mars. At trip na trip siya ng mga tao dito sa Pilipinas kasi parang
Wala dito niyan.
imported. So,
Oo.
mga pang pictorial. And then, I think my mom, she likes to dress me up kasi girl.
Yup.
So, bibili kami sa Guess. Meron akong
naman.
terno.
With budget.
Meron akong terno na pink na jacket and pants.
Denim ba
Guess.
yan? Denim?
Denim,
Yun,
pero
syempre,
pink.
guess. Ay! Denim na pink.
Ay,
cute.
Tapos terno yun. Tapos parang, yun yung natatandaan ko na mga parang, alam ko na iniingatan sila ng mommy ko. And my mom would tell me na, ingatan mo yan, huwag mong dudumihan yan. Kasi she would also invest in how I look like because, syempre, artista nga.
Yes, yes.
So, growing up, yung mga tao, parang, ang gaganda ng mga clothes mo. Tapos ako wala akong awareness kasi si mother lahat yun.
At least maganda dun sa pink mo na denim, kapag naman siya sa labada, pink na siya agad. Di ba na-notice niyo, parang pag naghalo yung puti sa decolor, pink lahat. At least ito sa umpisa pa lang, pink na siya.
Oo.
But even just me imagining you wearing that and then pink denim, nakakakilig siya.
Hahanapin ko yun sa photos.
No.
I remember, ang ganda niya. Tsaka yung, iba yung feeling mo kasi pag alam mong maganda yung suot mo.
So,
Yes.
your mom would buy that for you. Ikaw din ba, nagugustuhan mo siya?
Nagugustuhan
mo
Ang
siya.
hindi ko lang trip yung mga dresses. I wasn't a dress kind
Really,
of girl.
Mars?
Yeah. I don't like it. I find it hard to sit properly.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
nga, I grew up with a kuya.
Oo.
So, kapag pala ang kapatid mo lalaki, technically yung mga laro nyo
Yes,
iba din.
yes.
So, parang mas gusto ko yung relaxed vibe. Yung pinaka natatandaan ko na fashionable era of my life was yung gimmick days.
Okay.
Because yun yung parang mag-iisip ka ng ano yung magsa-stand out sa'yo.
Okay.
And mine was wearing a bandana.
Oh.
Paano yung pagsuot mo ng bandana? Yung pag ganon?
Yes. So,
Parang
nakapigpils yan
gangsta.
ate, tapos nandito yung bandana, tapos nakalaylay dito sa likod.
okay.
And I would have it
Girly
in different...
naman.
Yes,
Nandito.
girly. Oh, ate.
Hindi dito. Hindi siya
Iba-iba.
gangster.
May pag ganon,
May
minsan,
ganyan
minsan
din.
dito na siya sa likod.
Okay.
So, parang it became my fashion... What do you call that?
Trademark.
Yes.
Trademark mo.
Yes. So, sa gimmick, yun yung look ko.
Okay.
So,
Never
hanggang
ka nagbandana na yung parang pa-headband.
I think I would.
Meron
Parang at
din.
some point, nilaro na namin yung ways to wear the bandana.
Oo,
But that was my thing.
Okay.
During GMIC days.
Nice.
Yun na yun. After nun, everything was like pababa.
Actually, Mars,
Bahala na yung stylist.
Wala na yung
natatamad na
stylist.
ako.
Di ko pala to kaya i-sustain ng ako lang.
ayoko na mag-isip.
Mars, ang hirap.
Actually, now that you mentioned the bandana, if there was one thing that I used to love wearing when I was younger, na feeling ko ang cool ko when I wear it, were my Skechers shoes na may
platforms.
Na may platform na medyo mataas.
Yeah, the chunky
Parang
ones.
chunky sneakers. I remember wearing those and yun, sobra kong pinag-iingatan yung sneakers ko na yun. Tapos naalala ko pa, pinasign ko pa yan kay Miss Regine Velasquez.
Oh!
Yes.
So, habang suot mo?
Malamang tinakal ko siya. Hindi pwede. Miss Regine, pakisign.
pasign ko!
Pero dahil nga makapal siya,
Mas isulatan mo talaga.
Uso dati yung white sneakers, tapos dinududol.
Yung sa amin dati, uso Tretorn.
Yan!
Ano yun?
Dahil, Tretorn, it's a brand.
Ano yun?
I think
Kalaban
alam mo
ng
yun.
kids.
Oo, ganyan.
ayan.
So, di ko alam
Or
yun.
Tretorn, kung Amerikana ka, Tretorn sneakers. Tapos, so ano siya, white siya na shoe usually, tapos meron siyang logo ganun. Yung logo na yun, nag-iiba-iba kulay. So, may pink, may blue, may checkered, may ganyan. Actually, mahal yan. So, kami nung barkada ko, KP yung sapatos namin. It's a local brand.
But looks like it.
Hindi nga rin eh. Pero ginawa na lang namin, para cool tayo, tayong lahat na KP, iba-ibang kulay.
Okay,
So, yung isa naka-pink, yung isa naka-blue, ako naka-white
So what
na
does
KP.
KP stand for?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. K-A-Y-P-E-E. Hindi siya KP.
KP.
So,
Okay,
siya yung
hanapin
Moraita
natin
na version. Na parang ginagaya namin yung high top na Tretorn sneaker. So, a lot of the stuff that I couldn't buy before when I was young, kasi nga wala na akong pera. And then, syempre, budget si mother. 4 kami magkakapatid.
Ay, naku,
So,
na-booking na tuloy.
na
Na hindi
kami mayaman. 5 lang yung Tretorn ko, hindi.
Pinapinindingan nga natin to, sis eh.
All the way. Sir, yung mga stuff na hindi ko nabibili before, binili ko siya nung nagkapera na ako.
Wow.
Pero before that happened, ito yung mga outfits I think that I thought or moments na feeling ko ganda-ganda ako sa fashion. So meron din akong gown moment
Okay.
na marami ring organza. Pero yung sa amin, nire-rentahan lang kasi pang sagala.
Okay.
So I just recently found a pack of pictures, the mga old pictures that came from my mom's house. At lagi nila kami kinukuha sa Pandakan because my dad is from there para magsagala. So Flores de Mayo
Yes,
yan.
yes.
It happens
Kayong
during-
lahat magkapatid?
Usually ako lang. Kasi ako yung panganay. Tapos may picture ako, Day. Yung itsura ko, mas makapal pa yung mock-up ko sa mock-up nung nanay ko. Kasi,
Pakita mo yung picture na yan na.
enter picture now. Pak na pak, di ba?
At ang tanong, shade mo ba?
Oh, hindi, syempre hindi. Mga ang itim ko, di ba? Tapos hindi naman nagpapasok ng kulay na dark dati. So,
Yeah.
tiba ang puti ng face ko. So, yung itsura ko dyan, mas mukha akong nanay kaysa sa nanay ko. Pero mga 12 pa lang ako dyan.
Tapos yung book mo kulot.
Super tease ganun. Super tease. Tapos may crown akong ganun. Tapos dark makeup yung mata. Super. Pero syempre, I was wearing a gown. Feeling ko talaga
ganda-ganda
na
mo.
prinsesa talaga ako.
Yeah.
Feel ko siya. So another one naman na bet ko when I got older was, alam mo, for some reason, gusto ko magmukhang nanay. So, yung mga outfit ng nanay ko, ganyan yung gusto kong suot. College pa lang ba ako o high school? She has a friend who's a designer, si Tito Robert. So, meron din siyang RTW shop. Doon bumibili yung mom ko. Tapos doon din ako, gusto ko rin bumili ng stuff from there. So, naka-shoulder pads ang ate mong ganyan. Tapos naka-slacks.
How young were you?
I would be 18. Mga ano na ako, adult na ako niyan. Pero yung outfitan ko,
Yun ang trip mo?
Yan. Corporate at saka tailored. Ganyan yung mga gusto ko.
Sophisticated.
Yan. So parang when I grew up, naging joke time namin ni Meg and Gemma. Kasi ang concept ko na magandang suot corporate. And also because...
Pareho kayo ni Drew.
Diba?
Drew had a corporate face na parang he always wanted tuck in. And,
Yan. Polo. Tapos, yan yung ano ko ng put together na itsura.
Yes.
Yan yung, nung one time gumimik kami ng barkada ko after college na nito, ang outfit ko, ay corporate yung outfit ko nung gumimik kami. Also because I never had a corporate job. So, niro-romanticize ko yung thought ng idea. Ganito yung power
Oh my
dressing.
gosh, ganyan
yung,
din si Drew.
Are you kidding?
Kasi that's why, parang in his head na yun nga, kapag may trabaho, dapat ganito.
Yes.
So that's also, he went through that phase also.
Okay. Nung nag-Thailand kami ni Gemma at ni Meg, nagpagawa ko ng corporate outfit. Saan ko gagamitin? Yes.
At gusto ko yung nagpagawa.
Pasadya.
oo.
In 2 days, meron akong 3-piece suit. Pinstripe na gray. Napakaganda.
I love it.
Oh my God, it's so pretty. And wala pa nga yata akong picture.
So you can use it for events.
And that's what I kept saying. Tapos to
But
this
you
day,
never?
wala akong, kasi gown yung pinapasuot sa akin pag event.
So,
Hindi
ibig
mo
sabihin,
pa-
next episode, suotin mo yun.
Dapat yun ang susuotin ko.
So, hindi mo pa
Corporate, ano
nagagamit?
tayo, ang theme natin, corporate.
Yes!
At may kanya-kanyang version tayo
Oo,
niyan.
sige,
Yan.
sige, laban
Okay.
yan, laban.
So, yan, hindi ko pa siya nasuot ng ng all-in-one. Nasuot ko na yung vest ng mag-isa.
Okay, or the pants
nasuot ko na
on
yung
its
pants ng
own.
mag-isa. Pero hindi siya all-together ko pa nasusuot. Kasi wala pang akong event.
Okay.
So kaya ako
But
naman...
actually, yung mga terno na yan, ang ganda nga.
Ang ganda niya. Tsaka sukat sa akin. So, mahaba yung legs ko dyan. Naka-taper. Meron siyang bell ng konti sa ilalim.
Pero saktong,
pero
semi-flare lang.
Hindi yung masyadong ganyan.
Parang bootleg, parang ganun.
Parang ganyan, pero hindi. As in, super ganda niya. Dapat mahanap ako. Pero never ko pa nga siya nasuot ng diretso. So, yun naman, also because I'm from my generation, sa amin lagi masikip ang damit. So, pag si Camille nakikita ko na naka-suit jacket na maluwag, I'm always like, how do you wear maluwag?
Mga oversized blazers.
So, parang ko, paano ko ba ito gagawin? Hindi ko siya
Paano ko ba
ma-figure out.
matatawid tong outfit na to?
Oo.
Ang sabi nila, kasi to be honest, ate, struggle ko ang to put together clothes. That's why, Rush, Ray, I love you. I need you in my life. Kung kailangan ko si VJ sa buhay ko, ganun din yung pangangailangan ko sa inyo. Kasi I can't, ate, events, hindi ko talaga siya kaya. So, yung oversized blazer na yan, ano ko yan, time saver ko yan,
Okay.
go-to ko yan na forma. Kasi,
Parang no-brainer.
Yes, kasi pag naka-blazer ka, Mars, okay ka na agad eh. Whatever you
You're
wear
dressed.
inside it,
Oo.
pasok na.
Oo.
So ano lang ate, ang sabi nun, dahil malaki na yung oversize mo, dapat lahat ng suot mo sa loob, mas
Manipis na. Oo.
Like your slacks has to be slim, tuck in inside, and then blazer.
But then, you will also see people na everything is baggy and then they
Maganda
carry
pa
it
rin.
maganda pa
My
rin.
goodness.
Pag ganun
Totoo.
na baggy-baggy, kailangan mataas naman ang heels mo
Yan.
para magmukha ka namang mahaba. Pwede rin siya with the long skirt. Tapos bebeltan mo. So, there's actually a lot of ways and thanks to Pinterest,
Tama din.
you can mix
Good
and
tip.
match and parang pwede may sneakers din. So,
Oo.
there's a lot of ways to actually wear it.
Actually, that's what I want to know. Are you guys the type, because of course, yeah, we all have our different taste in fashion, but are you guys the type that will try something new? Or are you going to stick to what you're comfortable with, what you know? Unless, of course, someone styles it for you and puts it on you. But are you the type that will try something new? Because I think that's what a lot of people also struggle with. Kasi syempre, ay nakita ko to sa ibang tao, maganda.
Yeah.
But it's not typically something you would wear. So ngayon, are you gonna be the type that's gonna go out and buy something because parang feeling mo maganda rin sa'yo tapos ang ending, parang hindi ko kayang dalhin. Parang it's not looking the way I was hoping it would look. Are you the type that would try something new?
I would if pinasuot sa akin ng stylist.
Same.
Pero kung ako lang, yung
Same.
nag-put together, parang,
At saka, babayaran ko pa? No.
I remember,
Bibiling ko pa?
discover.
Hindi na.
I remember there was a time na kapapanganak ko lang. Tapos first day back ko to work. I think I have a photo of this. First day back to work ko sa Mars. Ang pinasuot sa akin ni Rush, na nag-aaway kami. Alam mo, lagi kami nag-aaway ng mga stylists. Kasi I'm like, I'm not gonna wear that. Ma'am, subukan mo lang. Subukan mo lang. So ano siya? Green cycling shorts. Naalala mo when cycling shorts was a thing?
Yes.
And an
Yes.
oversized blazer.
Yes.
I'm like, I can't. Yun yung mga weird combinations that apparently work, I think. Pinasuot niya ako ng striking green
Parang naalala ko.
na cycling shorts, tapos oversized, like, I think, white blazer na may belt. So, parang, ang kapapanganak ko lang. Like, everything's there. And wala, sinuot ko naman. And apparently, nagustuhan ko naman. Pero yun yung mga bagay na hindi ko kaya gawin on
Yeah,
my own. Hindi
yeah.
ko siya maiisip.
Yeah. Yung ganyan din, same din with Baki. Hi, Baki! Yung mga stylist dati. Magdadala siya ng mga stuff, tapos I'm like, no, I cannot. Pero since yun yung dala niya, ate, try mo bagay to sa'yo. I remember nang titaping tayo ng Mars, parang uso dati nun yung mga gadangkal lang na mga shorts na denim. Tapos sabi niya, ate, bagay yan sa'yo. Sabi ko, tingnan mo naman tong itsura na to. Sabi,
Papanty.
papanty na yun.
Parang
So,
denim underwear.
tapos syempre, di naman ako naka-rubber shoes doon. Magtatakong ka nung gano'n. Hindi, confidence lang yan. Kaya mo, okay naman.
Tapos news and public affairs siya.
Kaya mataas ang sure na kaya niya
Kaya
isusto.
naman niya. So, ang maganda rin is, Meg also said this to me before. Kasi sabi ko, oh my gosh, may mga things talaga. Tapos sabi niya, pero you guys, may lisensya kayo. Kasi hindi naman kayo real people. Ibig sabihin, sa TV kayo, it's almost like you're wearing a costume. Yung parang those things that you'll likely not really wear in real life, i-enjoy nyo na lang siya. Kasi hindi nyo naman yung totoong susuotin in real life as you eh. So,
correct.
gawin mo na lang siya. Oo nga, no, tama.
Kaso ngayon, kapag nagustuhan mo,
Okay rin ah.
di baka maging real life na.
Pero at least, na you tried it
You got
on,
to
you
try
sampled it, you didn't have to spend for it,
That's
di ba?
true.
Tapos parang, kaya ko naman mag-extend pala ng fashion limitations ko a little bit.
Actually, dyan ako nadadali.
Uh-huh.
Because I've always been the type na G ako kung ano ipapasuot sa akin.
What's like the craziest thing na parang nag-alinlangan ka rin pero giname mo tas parang
Yung may
pwede
parang
na nga.
hindi ako sure
It was
dito.
probably the most odd thing that I've worn. It was on ASAP. And they made us wear, and I know Nikki remembers this too, because to this day we're like, do you remember when they made us wear this? It was a denim skirt. Tapos yung top namin, denim skirt din.
Skirt on skirt?
It was a denim skirt.
I can imagine.
Na denim
It's
tube.
funny.
Na skirt din yung may, what do you call it? Yung may,
Yes,
the-
yes. Yung buttons,
And
zipper.
it has for the buckle, for the belt. The belt.
The belt
na
loops?
pasukan.
The belt loops.
Belt
It had
loops.
belt loops. Sa, mukha talaga siyang skirt na tube. So, parang siyang skirt na sinuot mo as a tube.
Na ganun din yung kasot mo.
So, parang that was probably like the weirdest thing that we wore. I mean, could you imagine?
Didn't work.
I don't remember. Pero dahil damay-damay naman kami.
Oo nga din.
Oo,
Okay.
hindi ka nag-iisa.
Strength in number
Laban.
naman.
Strength,
Strength in
yes.
numbers naman to. Okay na to.
Exactly.
If they're gonna make fun of us, dami naman natin.
Hindi,
So,
at least
ayos
hindi
lang.
focus sa'yo lang.
Yes.
Exactly. Damay-damay na to. So, okay lang yan.
So parang it is such a good idea nga na parang we are given some kind of license to wear clothes that would be beyond actually your comfort zone.
That's true.
Kasi otherwise, hindi ko yan talaga susuotin
Correct.
in real life.
What's your go-to fashion? Kunwari, aalis ka today. Ano yung parang, ito, no-brainer, ito yung susuotin ko?
At leisure.
Same.
At leisure. But I have
Malamang.
to say that my taste changed a lot when I became a mom.
Same.
Because in becoming a mom, I needed to consider all, of course, coming out from delivery and pregnancy. You know, you're a little more fluffy than you were before pregnancy. And so, you know, you kind of wear looser stuff. You're not so comfortable in tight. And I used to love tight stuff.
Same.
I used to be so
Same.
comfortable in tight stuff. Now, I'm not comfortable
Yeah,
in tight stuff.
yeah,
Tight
yeah.
ba to? Basta sabihin lang, ano hindi ka comfortable?
Oo,
Tight
tight
suot
siya.
mo.
Pero stretchy naman siya.
Yeah,
Yung
but
suot
I
mo.
mean, if you think
It's
this is
bod-
tight,
oo.
you didn't see
Or yung
the
parang
tight.
body hugging.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I used to be so
Skinny
comfortable in that kind of-
jeans
Yeah, oh.
was a thing.
Now that is
Yeah.
something
I
that
used
you
to
will
love wearing
not,
that.
Yeah, I can't wear those in because now I've shifted from what looks good to now what's
Feels
comfortable.
good.
Yes,
Totoo yan.
yes.
Oh, because when you become a mom, you become more like you need to be able to move easily. You can't
To bend.
You can't be worried about, ay, baka
Yes.
makita yung kuyukot ko when I bend to carry.
that's
Diba?
true.
So
Tama.
it really changed so much. And even in color, I used to be bright colors, patterns, all that kind of stuff. When I became a mom, kept it neutral.
Tama.
Also because, well, yun nga, parang aarte pa ba tayo? Eh kung may bata kang dala na may ketchup sa
Totoo.
kamay or may tsokolate,
Correct. Oo.
di ba? So,
Naisip ko naman kung pattern yung suot mo, hindi halata pag nalagyan ka ng ketchup o tsokolate.
pwede rin. Pero hindi na pwede mga light colors.
Oo,
yun.
hindi na, hindi.
Yung mga puti, out na yan
Hindi
for
na.
a time.
Oo,
Yes.
oo,
But,
tama.
Yeah, so my wardrobe now consists primarily of just plains na napansin mo na 'di ba? I'm
Yes.
mostly plain colors now and more on the neutral side na because it's just also easier to mix and match especially when I travel.
Tama.
Kasi traveling, although inggit na inggit ako
Correct.
sa mga tao,
Na
like,
nakaporma.
nakaka-pictorial sila sa... Ay, grabe!
Exactly.
Sa trips nila. I mean, ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. But
Tsaka
it's
yung
just...
naka-co-ords yung buong pamilya.
Yes. Oh, yung pa isa pa yan.
Amazing. Like, even the kids, how do you even plan that?
Oo.
Ay, hindi ko na kaya. I can't keep up.
I can't. So that's why even with my kids, when I shop for them, I also just stick to plains.
Yeah.
I stick to plains because it's just easier to pack. It's
Right.
easier to put clothes together.
Right.
And yun nga, when we travel, parang mas madali lang. Although, inggit nga ako dun sa mga ibang tao na kaya nilang gawin yon. But that's just not my reality.
Yes,
It's just
yes.
not, it's
The
not
goal
what
is to
works
walang
for-
mawalang anak.
Correct.
Yes.
Makakain,
Correct.
makauwi ng mapayapa,
Sa
walang
ngayon, hindi ko
tantrums.
kayang panindigan yun.
Yes,
Pero I
yes.
appreciate what you guys do.
Yes, it's beautiful.
And it's a good
really
thing you brought that up because I also parang discussed with Meg that years ago. Sabi ko, kasi si Meg, may barkada yan. Tapos si Mika, their friend, unfortunately she passed away, but she owns Seek the Unique.
Yes.
So silang lahat, yung tropa nila, mabihis sila. So si Meg is my kapatid na kahit nasa bahay lang namin, darating yan, maayos talaga siya magdamit.
Oh.
Magmamall lang siya maayos. So sabi ko, nainggit ako sa'yo kasi parang lag ka nakaayos your... So, mahilig siya mag-skirts, mahilig siya. Maayos siya. Tapos sabi niya, kasi ate, Sa work ko naman, I'm a tutor, hindi ko naman kailangan magbihis. Ikaw kasi, may chance kayo magbihis sa work ninyo, sa TV, sa whatever. So you've kumbaga scratched that itch.
Okay, yeah,
This is
true.
the only time that I get to dress up.
Makes a lot of sense.
Diba, no? And then I was like saying, nanggit ako kay Mika, pag nagta-travel siya, ang ganda-ganda ng mga pictures niya. Sabi niya, una sa lahat, business niya yon. So, she also takes photos for her business. Yeah, and another thing is, ganun siya talaga magdamit. Yung standard niya, yan talaga yung joy niya na mabihis siya. Sabi niya, imagine mo nga ate, kung dito sa Pilipinas, hindi ka mabihis, isipin mo pa na dadalhin mo yung mga gamit mo lahat sa ibang bansa, na may limitation ka ng maleta, ng weight limit, ng closet space, dadalhin mo pa yun lahat. Eh yung dito nga na may access ka sa lahat ng kailangan mo, hindi mo magawa. Kasi ko, ay, oo nga. So back to at leisure.
Yung at leisure naman, kaya ko siya na-appreciate kasi na-realize ko dati, trip na trip ko siya. Kaso hindi naman ako...
Athlete.
Oo. Or hindi man ako super active. So sabi ko, parang poser naman. So ngayon, nung nag-time ng pandemic, nagkaroon ng chance na mag-workout ng sobrang dalas, di ba? Parang naka-adi ka naman.
Yes.
Ay, lahat ng event na pupuntahan ko at leisure. To a point na si VJ yung, love,
Baka gusto
medyo hindi na bagay yung at leisure. Hindi na ba? Kasi parang everyday yung dali na to.
Pero feeling mo, ang ganda.
Pasok na
maganda
siya
naman ako
eh.
dito.
Oo.
Bakit?
At saka for a time, Mars, nag-struggle akong bumalik sa jeans.
Oh,
Ang tigas.
Ang tigas.
Hindi komportable.
Ang sakit dito sa ganito, yung yung button, parang hindi ako makagalaw. Ayoko nang masikip. Even when I was young, ayoko nang masikip. Yung mga tight-fitting na feeling ko, korbang-korba yung katawan ko. I don't like it. So, mapapansin nyo, Mars, na mas comfortable ako sa oversized shirt.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung parang feeling ko, sobrang chill.
Nakakahinga
Sobrang
ako
chill.
dito.
Oo,
Oo.
nabuti na lang nauuso siya, yung mga baggy pants.
Yes.
Nung nagsa-skinny jeans, Mars, nagsa-struggle ako. Kasi I don't like it. So, pero uso. Hindi ka pwede yung ibang pantalon, parang for some weird reason, pag ito yung uso, at iba yung sinuot mo, weird ka.
Stand out ka.
Oo.
Medyo oo.
So, yun for me, parang I like it comfy. I like it chill. But I struggle with making it look na maganda sa labas kasi it's too chill na parang sobrang lazy looking
Parang
na.
lousy na ba? Lousy na ba yung
Oo.
dating?
Actually,
Lousy.
Mars, I think that's my challenge these days because now that my wardrobe is now so simplified, now when we do have a guesting somewhere or whatnot, I struggle with dressing it up because parang, okay, so ito na lang, okay, t-shirt.
Blazer.
Kaya na ba? Pwede. Although hindi
Pack
din ako
blazer.
ma-oversized blazer.
Oo
So,
din eh. Oo
kaya
eh.
bang earrings? Madadaan na ba to sa earrings? Or madadaan na ba to sa
Heels.
maybe a different pair of pants and maybe heels.
heels.
But I used to love skinny jeans, Mars.
Me too. I love it.
I
don't like
used to
skinny
love it, but
jeans.
now, if there's one thing na dati suot ko,
Na,
parate,
ngayon, ayaw mo na.
now I just cannot. I can't. Unless it's the stretchy type of denim.
Which is buti na lang, marami na rin namang ganyan.
Choices
But
na ganun.
kapag masyadong maraming stretch yung skinny jeans mo, throughout the day, paluwag ng paluwag yung pants
that's
mo.
true.
Tapos
That's true.
pahatak ka ng
Di ba,
pahatak.
Be?
Oo. No, dito masikip, pero dito maluwag na.
So yun, may give and take din siya talaga. But I also remember na nung bata ko, sabi ko nga sa inyo, yung generation namin, sanay kami sa masikip. It took a while bago gumraduate yung mga kasamahan ko. Like si even Ivan. Ngayon na lang siya gumraduate sa medyo looser pants. Sanay kami lahat ng gamit namin. Body fit siya talaga. Masikip talaga. Si Paolo din for the longest. Masikip.
Yes, I remember.
Masikip ang mga, kahit Amerikana ni Paolo. Si Drew.
Yeah,
masikip
yeah.
magpants si
Pants.
Drew. Sanay kami ng medyo masikip. So, it really takes a while na parang, paano ba suotin yung maluwag? Paano ba
Yes,
suotin?
yes.
And then when you get to, it's so
comfortable.
so
There's no
good.
turning back.
Parang, wow! Pwede pala. Salamat sa mga Gen Zs.
Correct.
At sa mga bagong bagets ngayon na
Yes.
pinauso to. Kasi ang sayang. Tapos yung
Yes.
parang makita mo na, yung mga bagets ngayon na, pag nagbibiye sila, parang, uy, pwede to ah. Okay tong combination
Yeah.
na to.
Oo.
Baggy pants, pero yung top nila medyo crop, pero not
Yun.
too much.
Yan,
Diba?
ganda.
Tapos parang may ano lang, parang long sleeves na naka-open lang. Ganda, tapos sneakers lang. I love it. Gusto ko rin nung nauso, Mars, yung sneakers sa kahit na ano, kahit naka-dress ka, naka-sneakers ka.
Yes.
I love that na, pwede pala dati, pag-dress, heels
Hindi,
yan.
of course.
Sandals yan. Hindi ka
Of
magra-rubber
course.
shoes sa, or magsi-sneakers sa dress, but now.
Naalala ko yun si Irene. Kilala niyo si Irene, full-time mom, stays buddies.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, yan, yan.
Yes.
Si Irene. So siya, mahilig siya sa sneakers. Sobra. Hi, Irene! Thank you for watching our podcast all the way from the United States. You left us!
At saka siya talaga yung pinakamaagang nakaka-tune in kasi nga
Correct.
yung 5 a.m. ibang oras sa kanya.
Ah,
yun.
yes.
Oo.
pasok.
So siya, sinasabi, mahilig siya sa sneakers, so sabi, yun pa yung concept ko dati, parang, where do I wear it? Where do I wear the white sneakers, di ba? Aside from jeans. Tapos yun sabi, you can wear the white sneakers with anything. Sa damit.
Sa
Gaga-
dress?
Yeah.
Parang-
You can wear it with anything. Tapos siya, nakikita ko, yun yung ginagawa. Damit, mahilig mag-dress yan si Irene. Damit,
White
sneakers, at white in particular
Yeah,
pa. Yung
white.
parang,
Oo.
pero dark yung pants ko. Bakit white yung sneakers ko? Hindi, okay lang, white. Tapos dun, simula ngayon, di ba may favorite tayo sneakers na puti?
yes,
Lagi yung
tayo.
suot na-
White sneakers,
Iniba ko
pa.
for changing kasi
Oo, with
kung hindi pa
platform pa
matching
yan.
tayo.
Ako,
For
iniba ko ng very
ano,
light kasi maulan. So,
Maiba
ano to,
lang,
plastic.
maiba lang. Maiba
But
lang
yes,
tayo.
totoo yan. Nakakatawa yung ganun na, ang chill na, bihis
Yes.
pero chill. Yun.
But I sometimes, sorry, go ahead, B.
Hindi, I was just gonna ask, is there a fashion piece na never mo
Susubukan?
masuot? Or like, I just can't. Hindi for me. Hindi ko kaya. Or even when I've tried it, hindi siya pasok.
Ako meron ako naisip. Di ba nauso ngayon yung parang jorts? Yung suot mo!
Kanina.
Kanina, suot mo
Yes,
kanina.
yes,
Yun.
yes.
Yun, medyo nagsistruggle ako suotin nun. Kasi, sabi nila, maganda daw yun, ganon. Tapos yung ballerina shoes, tapos yung may medyas na mataas.
Oh, Lord
Okay, hindi ko
Jesus.
kaya.
Nung sinuot ko, sabi ko parang,
Parang magsasalubong na yung dulo ng shorts at saka
alam mo
nung-
yung pelikula ni Adam Sandler na parang bumalik siya sa pagkabata? Ano ba yun?
Billy Madison? Ay,
Parang
oo,
ganyan.
oo.
Parang ganon, pero girl version, Mars. Yung
Ballerina, flats.
ballerina, yung mga rubber
Okay,
shoes ngayon.
hindi
Ayan,
ko kaya.
yung ang medyas mo dapat hanggang dito.
Okay.
Tapos jorts, siguro kung matangkad ka, maganda siya.
Si
pero-
Nela, ganyan magdamit, pero naka-dress. Pero naka-medyas, tas naka-flats. Tas kami ni Paolo parang, ay,
Pero dala niya.
Dala.
Yeah.
Dala.
Tuwang-tuwa ako dun sa mga naka-ballerina rubber shoes or sneakers.
Oo.
What do you call that? Tapos may socks. Ang ganda. Pero parang sa isip ko, carry ko ba to? Hindi ko pa natatry.
Hanggang
I haven't
ngayon nga,
tried.
pag nagra-rubber shoes ako, yung hindi kita yung medyas eh.
Yun nga eh. Actually, that's something na
Same.
hindi ko pa ma-apply.
Hindi kita ang
I mean, I'll wear it
medyas.
only because we have Vamos.
Oo, yan, tingin mo.
Oh,
hindi
no,
kita yung
Vamos,
medyas.
yung ganong,
Early because
pang-workout
we have
ko yan.
Vamos. Sa pang-workout, kaya ko
Pang-workout ko yan.
medyo mataas na socks. But other than that, on a regular day, hindi ko siya style.
Hindi.
I mean, I've tried.
At dahil dyan, next episode, yan ang susuotin natin. Okay, that's our
Corporate.
challenge.
Tapos,
Corporate, tapos
medyas.
tapos kailangan may episode tayo na yung trend na feeling natin hindi natin kayang suotin pero gagawin natin.
Oo.
Okay okay
Ako yung trend, yung hindi ko talaga masuot, yung mga ugly sneakers.
What's that? Hindi ko rin. Yung malaki.
Tapos alam mo, naglabas pa tong, ano yung mahal na...
May mahal na brand din kasi na well, Loewe ba?
Not Balenciaga. It wasn't Balenciaga. Was it Balenciaga?
Hindi, parang lahat sila naglabas nun.
Oo,
Basta
may
naglabas
isang
sila ng
nagpauso.
Yung sobrang
ugly.
laki. Oo.
Yes.
Dior has one, I
Hindi
think.
Siya na,
And it's not like because they wear it with the wide pants and medyo cool chill ka. Minsan nakadamit din sila, tas yun yung sapatos nila. Tas ako, sinayang mo lang tong buong outfit mo. Tas yan yung sapatos mo.
kasi merong nauso.
Mainit ulo ko.
Meron na uso
Wala
na
akong
wrong shoe
pakialam
fashion. Tama ba? Wrong shoe? Wrong shoe. Parang kunwari,
ganon?
ito yung suot mo, pero iba yung sapatos mo. Kunwari, nakamagandang formal outfit ka, pero naka-cowboy boots ka.
Oh.
Wrong shoe theory. Tapos talagang naisip ko talaga na parang, grabe, yung fashion ngayon, di ko na siya kaya.
alam mo, ang galing nang nagpauso nun, no? Kasi feeling ko,
Tinamad lang siya.
or wala, siguro he or she didn't have the shoes for the outfits. So, siguro, alam mo,
Wrong
panindigan
shoe
ko na to.
Kayo
This is
mag-adjust.
wrong shoe theory. Kayo
Oo, kunwari,
mag-adjust.
parang naka-workout attire ka or athleisure, pero naka-heels ka.
Oo.
Yan. Ang pinaka nakikita kong ganyan, na sobrang lupit dalhin, Teacher Jercel.
Yes.
The wrong shoe theory or whatever that is fashion, she's been doing it for like the longest time. Tatanda. Kasi lagi yung maluwag eh. Pero yung sapatos niya laging kakaiba.
Her shoes are always statement shoes. Statement pieces.
Wow. Sobrang fashion.
Nakakabilib yung mga tao na talagang ganun sila. Yung meron talaga silang comfort of putting stuff together na unusual. Na komportable sila, hindi sila awkward tingnan.
Yes,
At
yes.
ikaw, maa-attract ka sa suot nila kahit hindi mo rin siya susuotin ever.
Yes, yes.
Pero appreciate mo na dalang-dala ng tao na to. May ibang elevated level of fashion talaga sila. Na feeling ko sila lang yung, I love it.
Actually, now that you mentioned that, if I were to think about someone that I look up to in terms of fashion, I actually do enjoy Teacher Durcell's taste.
Parang medyo ka-vibe mo yun.
And I've never seen her with ugly shoes. I mean,
So
I've,
yun yung
I've
love
always
niya.
seen her. I've always seen her with branded shoes. That's TG for
Or maybe
you.
meron siyang ugly sneakers pero hindi nagmukhang ugly nung sinuot niya.
Ay, talaga.
Dalang-dala
Pero
niya.
aliw na aliw ako with her sense of fashion.
Oo. Ako naman,
Very
si
creative.
Attorney Gabby. Ever since. Kasi alam niyo naman, love ko ang corporate look. So, pero si Attorney, hindi naman siya always corporate. Hindi ko naman siya nakita na naka-blazer lagi. Pero she has a great way of putting prints and stuff together. Pero ang base niyan, laging black. Sa amin kasi sa UH, kumbaga, yung fashion evolution ko din is also, nag-evolve din siya, depende sa need ng job.
Okay.
So dahil morning show kami, bawal ang black. So for the
Yes.
longest time, hindi na ako bumibili ng black. At pag nakakita ko ng black na damit, parang, pwede ko ba itong suotin? Parang laging ganun na ako. Although si attorney, lagi siyang black pa rin ako. Black turtleneck all the way. Kahit
Kasi
summer.
attorney ako.
Yes. At ito, trademark ko to. Pero the way she puts her stuff together, sobrang interesting lagi. Ngayon, mahilig siya sa mga medyo fashion ng mga Philippine indigenous weaves. Na pagsasama-samahin niya dun sa damit niya na parang consistent yan ever since I met her up to now. Parang she can take small fashion risks lang na bagay pa rin sa kanya. Another one is si Doc Jean ng Dare, yung sponsor ko na Derma.
Okay.
May iba't din yung mga cut ng suot niya. Very fashionable then hindi siya safe dresser. Pero there's always something different sa suot niya na parang, saan mo nakukuha yan? Ang ganda niya. And so, normal lang sa kanila yung ganun magdamit. Yung parang for me, sobrang tindi sigurong pagpaplano ko para ma-pull off
Yes,
ko to.
yes,
Hindi,
yes.
hindi ko siya kaya.
Tumawag ka na ng tulong ng stylist.
Yes.
Saka minsan yung problema ko, Mars, yung syempre, you have enough clothes. Pero why does it seem like walang bagay?
Oo.
Yung parang, saan ko ba ito iteterno? Yung parang, that's my constant struggle. Another thing is, I have like monotone eyes. Mars, like kunwari, even when I go shopping, kunwari pumasok ako sa isang store, kung ang nasimulan kong bilhin ay maroon or burgundy, lahat na nang bibiling ko sa araw na yun ang kulay, Mars.
Kahit lumipat ka ng store.
Oo. Kasi pag yun na yung
Parang
na-catch ng eye ko, yun na lahat. Madodraw na ako to that. And it's annoying. Like, yung parang, parehong kulay.
Oh no.
Hindi, palitan ko. So, ang mangyayari, magkaibang kulay, same design. Kunwari, itong polo na to, may yellow. Kukunin ko rin yung blue, yung pink, yung...
Uy, bet ko yung ganyang shopping, ha?
Kaya hindi tayo dapat pumapasok dun sa store na yung
Oo.
yung umpisa.
At saka yung Z.
Yung U at yung Z.
Yung Z, dali ako dun sa Z, Mars.
Pero yung ganyan na same design, tas different colors, is true sign of aging. Charot.
Oh my
Kasi naalala ko yung
gosh.
tito ko. Pag
Ayaw
yan,
mo na mag-isip.
as in, ganun yung parang, tas ako parang,
Uy, maganda yung fit ito. All colors na to.
that's
Oo,
right.
totoo.
Bakit ka palalayo? Masaya ka sa ganitong.
Isa pang
Well,
feel.
hence, I mean, if you know this top.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Abangan nyo yung iba't ibang kulay na mag-a-appear
palabas
dito.
na tsaka cuts
Why
for sure.
more? Oh.
Yung isa pang struggle ko, Mars, yung ganito, yung makakita ka ng magandang semi-formal dress. Bibilin mo yun. Darating yung time magagamit ko to.
Gamit ko to. Hanggat sa hindi na kasha sa'yo.
That or, dumating yung time na magagamit mo siya. Pero nakalimutan mo na meron ka.
At bumili ka na ng bago.
Exactly.
Ng iba.
Yan ang sakit ko,
Nasa,
Mars.
ako naman, speaking of kung ano yung mga things that attract you kung ikaw monochrome ka, ako naman mahilig ako bumili ng gown.
Yes! Sabi mo nga!
Isn't that so weird? Pag kunwari dadaan ako na Rustans, uy, may sale na mga gown. Okay, saka pupunta girl. Diba? Saka, bibili ako ng gown. Tapos, syempre, it's going to be a good deal. I don't have the designer gowns, yung mga medyo, may mga corset.
Yeah,
Wala
yeah,
akong
yeah.
ganun Wala akong
Okay,
mga bonggang gown na designer ang gumawa. Wala. These are off-the-rack stuff that I buy ahead of time.
Okay.
Tapos gagawin ko, meron akong imbakan dyan ng, so you can fold them. Kasi hindi naman siya
Yes,
corseted
yes,
eh. You can fold them. Meron akong imbakan dyan na naka-label siya light-colored gowns. Ito, dark-colored gowns. Tapos ito, mga Filipiniana. So pag may requirement ako, kasi nag-host ako ng events
Yes,
eh.
yes,
And
yes.
usually formal yung pinapasuot sa atin. At kahit sa gala night, never ako humiram ng damit for gala night.
You
Lahat
already
yun,
have?
damit ko lahat yun.
Wow.
Kasi naka-imbak, mahilig talaga ako bumili ng gown.
So, pwede ako magrenta.
Pwede, hiramin mo na lang. At lahat pa ng mga gown ko, lalo na pag gala night, butas-butas somewhere. butas sa gilid, butas sa harap, butas sa...
May mga cuts talaga.
So yun inaano ko din na parang that's also a reason why I try to stay fit. Kasi it also madali din magdamit kapag maganda yung build mo eh.
And
So,
you don't always have to keep on buying.
hindi eh.
Kasi
Exactly.
nag-change
Actually,
yung
magandang
size mo.
motivation yun eh. Kasi kung gusto mong, like for me, one of the things that motivates me to shed some pounds or kapag alam kong medyo kailangan mo nang bumalik is para masuot ko yung paborito kong damit.
It's just easier to dress up in
Yes.
general.
Absolutely.
Yung parang ayokong maging option ko yung change wardrobe. Gusto
Oo.
kong pilitin at least or effortan
Yeah.
na magkasya ulit dun sa damit na alam kong maganda nung sinuot ko.
So kumbaga, isipin nyo na lang na nire-reapportion ninyo yung time ninyo. Ibig sabihin, yung time na ginugugol nyo sa pag-workout ninyo para maging maganda yung katawan ninyo or something, natitipid nyo yan dun sa time na palit kayo ng palit ng damit kasi you're trying to look for something that fits well sa'yo.
That's true.
So gumanda pa yung health ninyo, umikli pa yung time ng pagbibihis ninyo, di win-win.
Kasi
Kasi
yung
yung Mars,
Delix din
hahabulin
dyan.
mo nang hahabulin kasi yun eh.
Yung Delix din dyan, because everything you wear looks good, you're gonna be in all sorts of fashion styles.
Uy, okay din yun
Parang kaya ko na ata dalhin to. Try ko nga. Tapos lumawak na yung wardrobe mo.
Oo, at least marami kang options.
But yes, at least,
Kapag may
yeah,
mga
marami
party,
kang
iba-iba
options.
yung theme.
Oh, meron na ako. Di na
I
ako
have,
bibili.
oo. Yung mga hindi ko na kayang bilhin ngayon, yung mga striking colors.
Oh.
Minsan tinatopak pa rin ako.
Talaga?
A part of the old E is still like, oh girl, like a bright pink.
Yeah.
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 Dati
Yeah.
ganun ako. Pero ngayon, kapag may purchase ako, ang isipin ko, kaya ko ba itong ulitin ulit? Kasi di ba yun naman sa job natin?
Yes.
Yeah.
Di ba parang technically, hindi ka pwede mag-ulit ng damit or so
Yeah.
they say. But ngayon nga, nakakatuwa kasi
Oo.
meron ng mga nag-advocate for dapat inuulit ang damit.
Yeah.
Which tama
Absolutely.
naman, they're not disposable.
Yes, yes.
So parang for me, mas gusto ko na yung kaya kong i-reuse ng maraming beses. Kaya kapag may opportunity na kailangan power dressing events, wala talaga ako nun.
Yeah.
Meron lang ako nung comfy, regular clothes. That's why, thank you Plains and Prints
Ah,
for
yes!
allowing me to borrow
Oo.
clothes. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na nahihirapan din akong i-keep or magkaroon ng madami because I know that I'm gonna have to use them or not be able to reuse them lalo na kung ganito na matagal siyang exposed tapos
Yeah.
printed siya, mga ganyan.
Ako naman, na-notice ko na yung nagsa-spark joy pa rin pala sa akin is yung mga printed stuff. Yung mga medyo katutubo print, yung mga medyo... As in, I have this one jacket na sobrang favorite ko siya, tas baliktaran siyang gano'n. Parang Indian yata yung mga patterns niya.
I know that.
Na-
Yes, I remember.
As in, parang sabi ko, bakit bet na bet ko pa rin? Yung heart ko pala, mas medyo pag ganun pa rin
Sa
pala siya.
printed.
Even though, para alam ko, alam mo na, mga yamanin, page lang ang suot niyan. So parang, doon ka na sa muted tones para medyo elegante yung dating.
Yeah.
Pero yung heart ko, pag ganun yung pattern, na-excite pala ako sa kanya. I still do have it. I should have worn it today. Sabi ko,
Parang
because-
yung ano mo yun eh, yung Japanese robe.
Oo, yung mga
Parang
kimono.
ganun.
Ay, nagka-kimono
Diba?
face din ako na ganyan. So, ma-pattern pa din pala ako.
Okay.
Parang ma-happy colors pa rin pala ako. So, I do keep a couple of those, not a lot anymore. Tas the rest, mga medyo basic. Plus, also kasi sa unang hirit, may, parang dito na ngayon, may color requirements eh.
Yeah.
So, even if I have favored colors, versus those na hindi ko naman masyadong bet, kikip ko pa rin yung colors na hindi ko bet kasi may
Kailangan
requirement
baka
kami.
magamit, baka magamit.
Oo eh,
Ano yung
kailangan
mga
siya.
colors na hindi mo bet?
Pastel.
Really?
Charot, ang arte naman ng hate. Maitim kasi ako eh. So, hindi siya...
That's why
bagay
bright
for
colors
me.
look good on you.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Parang very sweet yung pastel. Kaya hindi
okay,
siya...
okay,
For me,
okay.
I think bagay siya sa maputi. Tama ba ako mga stylist?
Yeah,
Hindi ko
yeah,
alam.
yeah. I see.
No?
I see. I mean, I get why bright colors would look better on you as
Yes.
opposed to pastels.
Oo. Ikaw pastel bagay sa'yo eh.
Hindi, gusto ko siya as a color but I don't think something I would wear. Baka.
Actually, I think pastels look good on you, Mars. I remember when you wore yellow for one of our
Siya,
guest seasons. Like, it looked really
Tito Boy.
nice. And,
Yeah, I
oo.
like that.
I prefer brights also, as opposed to pastels, but I do like my blacks and whites. I love my blacks and whites. I love, you know what I don't have when I shop? I do not buy. I'm not a dress person. If you haven't noticed.
Yes.
If you haven't noticed,
We can, yes.
I have a bird. Shut up. But really, I like the more androgynous,
Yeah, yes,
androgynous, boyish
Yes.
look. That's more me.
Yeah.
I don't feel confident in a dress or
dress.
in a skirt. I mean, there are times when I feel, I do look pretty when I'm put together, but that's not going to come from my wardrobe. That's going to come from a stylist, giving me the clothes to wear. But from what I choose at home and what I choose for myself, I feel more powerful in pants.
Love
Gets
it.
naman. Ang ganda nga naman bagay nga. Kaya mo lagi nakapants
Totoo, Mars.
ate mo, diba?
And you know what? The end of the day, fashion is really about self-expression.
Absolutely.
Diba? What makes you feel comfortable. It says a lot about who you are actually. Diba? How you dress up says a lot about the kind of person that you are. And I think yun yung interesting part dun eh.
Yeah.
Na parang just by looking at one person, kahit hindi mo pa kilala, medyo may idea ka na kung anong klaseng tao siya. Simply by just looking at how that person dresses up.
Pero alam mo, Mars, mahirap din yun eh. Because I think that's also why people struggle with dressing a certain way. Because even though it's what makes them comfortable, it's like, I don't want people to have the impression of me na tamad ako mag-ayos. But also, at the end of the day, what makes you happy?
Yes.
Because if what you wear makes you happy, it's going to show in the way you treat others, in the way you carry yourself. Bahala na if you're the type na, okay, if people might look at you na parang, wow, she doesn't really look like parang hindi ata siya nag-ayos. But ikaw, wapakels, happy ako, it doesn't matter.
True. That's true, Mars. And ako aliw na aliw ako sa mga ganun. Yung mga super sexy. Yung parang nakatub. Kasi yun yung mga bagay na hindi ko kayang suotin pag lumabas. I like being covered for some reason. Sabi, manang, very
As a conservative
manang.
girl.
True
Oo.
naman. Ako naman, it's really just how it makes you feel,
Yes.
diba? So,
Yes.
sometimes, bago tayo mag-make ng comments sa other people, parang kung ano yung maganda sa atin, or hindi maganda sa atin, baka maganda sa kanila. To be more mindful about how we give our feedback also. Kasi it takes a lot of time and effort to put your outfit together. And then, if you were to choose that, it's something that makes you feel good about yourself sana. So before you make a comment, timbangin ninyo yung parang effort na nilagay nila dyan kasi dyan sila nagagandahan sa sarili nila. So be kind when you make comments and do make a comment when you see somebody who exudes kahit athleisure yung suot niya, kahit bihis na siya ng bonggang-bongga, do take the time to give them pay them a compliment. It means so much.
Totoo
Kasi yung
yun.
oras na binilang nila para mag-ayos ng buhok, mag-makeup, magsuot ng corset, paghirapan yung takong na mataas, maglakad na ika-ika na silang ganun. It is so effortful and that kind word of saying, wow, you look great.
Yes.
Yun makes it so much worth it.
That's so true, Mars.
Because, maybe they could have been at home spending like just, 30 minutes just looking at their own, what am I going to wear? And then maybe they just chose the simplest outfit that they have. And yet, if someone outside appreciates that, like, okay, thanks.
Sulit! Sulit lahat yun!
I'm glad I came here, di ba? Oo.
Yan.
I have one follow-up question, girls. What's a fashion item that you've splurged on?
Oo. Na kailangan damit, ha? Damit ba? O pwedeng
Damit,
sapatos?
sapatos.
Fashion item, yeah. Kasama na yung sapatos.
Pwedeng sapatos.
A fashion
Ako,
item
hindi ko
that you've
makakalimutan
splurged on.
nung unang-unang beses na nabudol akong bumili ng YSL. kasi, sa totoo lang, I don't even- so si Ate Suzy loves shoes.
I love it.
She loves it. So every time ko may mag-abroad sa aming dalawa, ang bilin niya sa akin yan, sapatos.
Okay.
So darating na lang yan, iuwi ko na lang yan.
Thanks,
Either
Beth.
that or biscuit.
Yes.
Okay. So ngayon, then nakikita ko na suot niya, syempre, di ba, the
Na-curious
closer
ka din.
the people are to you, yun din ang influence mo
Yes.
talaga. So I'm like, ate, parang alam mo, wala pa akong sapatos na ganyang kamahal. Ay, naku, babe, pag sale. So, pinakita sa akin ng mga websites
Oo.
na may sale.
Farfetch.
Okay, so syempre, dahil sale, ang unang-una kong binili, if you remember, na sapatos, ay striking yellow na tribute. Na unang-una kong mahal
YSL ba
na
yun?
sapatos.
YSL in tributes.
Tapos parang sabi ko, ate, nakabili na ako. Tapos si ate parang, oh, for a first choice, be, ah? For a first purchase, na mamahalan, bright yellow talaga. So, kaya parang, oo nga, no? Why didn't I go for like nude or something?
Mahal kasi pag basic color.
So, exactly. Siguro ka.
Oo.
Pero parang napaisip rin ako dun sa, ano, bakit dilaw? Saan ko to gagamitin?
Buhay pa ba, be?
Ate, buhay na buhay pa.
Gamitin yan, ha?
Gamitin
Oo.
siya. So, yun yung hindi ko makalimutan. The first ever time that I splurged on an expensive shoe and it's bright yellow.
Oh my God. Nabuhay pa.
Nabuhay
Oo.
pa.
Buhay yan.
Yes.
At least
Kalidad.
buhay pa.
Kalidad.
Okay, so sapatos.
Sapatos,
sa'yo. Okay.
Mars.
Oo. Ako, I think sapatos. Dati kasi mga bag-bag, di ba? So parang, And then after gumraduate na ako sa sapatos, I think ang odd color din na sapatos na akala ko, kasi sale. Sale naman ako lagi bumibili. Tapos merong lubutan na ang ganda, na tulis siyang ganon, pero lavender. So, di parang ako, oh no,
din.
pero size ko, isa na lang natitira, size ko,
Meant to be.
Sobrang mura na lang siya kasi nag-iisa na lang siya. Shoot na shoot yung pa ako. Alam ba yung sapatos na yun, lagi kong suot. Madalas ko siyang nasusuot.
How come I don't remember that?
Oo nga, no? Ang lagi mo naaalala, meron ako Valentino na
Camouflage. I love that.
Ang ganda
I
niyan.
love that.
Maganda rin yun. So those are, I think, ma-shoes din talaga ako. Tapos yung mga weirdly printed ones, also because nga, artista levels
Yes.
naman na pwede ka magsuot ng medyo mas loud.
Yung mga tinatawag nating statement pieces.
Yes.
Yun.
So yan, mga shoes. Ikaw?
Ako, shoes then. There was a time that there was a bag then. Tapos parang yun nga, because I was surrounded by ASAP people,
Yeah.
na lahat si sina Kim Chu or Shaina, mga naka-branded. It was my first time to make an actual
Purchase.
bag purchase. And I remember I settled for, it was Gucci, tapos it was the regular, parang yung
print niya?
pattern, yung print niya. But hindi naman kasi talaga ako yun. But I think I just liked it kasi, at masasabi ko na may Gucci ako. Hanggat sa
pressure,
hindi ako mapakali, Mars. Hanggat sa papunta na kami sa airport, sabi ko, this isn't me eh. I want the black one. So, habang lahat sila papunta na sa airport, I found a
Pinalitan
way
mo.
to go back to the store
And change
and get the black one, which was more me. It had 2 gold buckles. It didn't have the Gucci print, which I also liked because I didn't like it also when it's like screaming,
Logo.
And it was more me. And I remember I went back for that bag kasi ayun nga, parang inisip ko lang, parang, nga, branded nga ako. Pero kung hindi mo naman masyadong
Gagamitin.
it's not your style.
Yeah, that's
Oo. And I want to make kwento also shoes. Because there was a phase where I was into shoes. Because I love them. I love, like nice heels.
Yeah,
although
yeah.
I rarely wear them now.
Yeah,
Yes.
I don't even wear them now. But nakakatawa lang because I guess the people that I was surrounded by know that I'm not really into these signature things. So, the few shoes that I do have that are signature, pinagkakamalan siyang fake.
Napakasama ng mga taong yan, Mars!
So, I bought a really nice pair of Louboutins.
Atong si Iya, sobrang kuripot. Dito bibili ng original.
Malabo
Fake
yan.
no?
I bought a pair of Louboutins. And you know that they're lubes because it's got the red underneath. Anyway, so I wore them. Sabi ng stylist ko, ang ganda ng sapatos mo. Parang lubutan.
Parang lang.
Sabi ko, anong parang? Lubutan to! Tapos tawang-tawa siya na parang, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko inisip na bibili ka ng ganyan. Tapos ito si Ate Vicky, bumili ako ng statement shoe na D&G. And aliw na aliw ako sa kanya kasi it was sequins, tapos may tassels, and it just looked like a really fun pair. And then I wore them to 24 Oras. Sa suot ko, sabi niya, ang cute ng shoes mo. Sabi niya, it's cute, no? Sabi niya, Aldo. I mean, Aldo's... I remember. I remember when I really couldn't afford pa nga, I mean, it wasn't until...
Actually, mahal ng Aldo.
Exactly. And Aldo was my splurge before.
Yes.
Aldo was my splurge
Yes.
before. But, eventually nga dahil na influence and because, I guess, there are gonna be those purchases na yung sobrang type mo, may
Yeah.
kamahalan.
Yeah.
And then sa pag-iipunan mo,
Pero ang magandang tip nga dyan siguro, I mean, lahat naman tayo may mga pangarap na mga brands, bags,
Yeah.
sapatos, whatever. Yung iisipin mo kung gaano karaming beses mo siya magagamit.
Yes.
Kasi kahit mahal yan, kung araw-araw mo naman
Yes.
siyang ginagamit, yung return of
Masusulit mo
investment mo, super sulit. Kesa yung bumibili ka ng mga kung ano-ano, tapos volume
Pero
yung
hindi mo
binibili,
nagagamit.
Hindi mo siya
Oo,
nagagamit.
that's so
Sayang
true.
din lang. Mura nga yung binili mo, pero natambak naman siya sa'yo. So, you only learn those things naman as you go along in life eh. Siyempre, lalo na yung mga things na hindi mo na-acquire nung bata ka. Gusto mo pagtanda mo, tina-target mo siya talaga na ma-achieve eh. So,
I think it's also because as you get older, especially when you start living in your own space,
Yeah.
and you realize how limited space you
yes.
have,
Oo din.
then you really come to realize na, okay, wait, kung dati gusto mo madami,
Oo.
Yeah.
when you get older, I guess it's because you're maturing. When you get older, you realize I actually don't need all of this
Yes,
stuff. And
yes.
that's when you
Yes.
try to be wiser with your choices.
Pag mas mature ka na, parang gusto mo nang mas mamuhay ng mas simple. Yung, di ba dati kasi, ang dami mong energy, mag-isip ng iba't ibang how to put
Yes.
these things together. You have so much time to do that. But when you have a family, when you have children, other things to do,
Yes.
yung priorities medyo nagbabago. Doon ka na lang sa ano ba yung pinaka-basic, pinaka-simple, and yet, powerful pa
Medyo,
rin.
oo.
Or
At
maganda
happy
pa
ka.
rin. Yes.
Yan.
So parang nagbabasa na lang siya sa anong stage or season ka ng life mo.
Yeah.
So yun yung mga time na syempre, of course, that comes with maturity. Then you start to get rid of the things that you don't need anymore.
Yes.
At abangan nyo ang aming next segment na decluttering. Yes! Kasi tutulungan namin kayo para ma-declutter nga yung mga certain areas of your life, of your home, para to give you a bit more space and to give you a bit more peace actually. Kasi kung
Absolutely.
less yung kalat nyo sa bahay. So yan yung abangan nyo. At saka syempre, wear whatever makes you feel good about yourself, appropriate to the occasion, appropriate to the event, appropriate to the venue, di ba? But something that makes you feel confident wearing.
Then, naalala ko kasi may mga nag-trending na mga reels. Yung mga graduation tsaka moving up ng mga bata.
Okay.
Tapos yung mga mother, pak na pak yung
pak yung
suot.
suot.
May isa naka-gown talaga siya. Yung isa naman medyo revealing na yung outfit. Na parang super trending talaga siya, Mars. Kasi parang yung aakit ako ng stage at ito ang outfit ko. Parang
Oo,
ganon.
oo.
So, ang ganda nung sinabi mo na it has to be appropriate.
Yes.
Kasi minsan, hindi na siya akma
Yan.
sa pupuntahan, sa panahon, sa sitwasyon. So, dapat, kumbaga, it would be good if we are mindful of that.
Oo.
And the appropriateness can go both ways. It can be you're overdressed, or in many cases that I experience, I'm underdressed.
Same!
Alam mo na, blazer lang katapat niya.
Sabi nila ha, mas mabuti na daw na overdressed ka kaysa underdressed ka.
Oo, sabi
So,
ng mga
dapat-
nanay,
sabi
pa,
ng
kaya
mga
nga ako
nanay,
nag-gown,
oo.
di ba?
Tapos ito, yung isang bagay na ngayon natatandaan ko na hindi ko kayang karirin, accessories, Mars. Like, kunwari, kung yung mga ganun, inggit na inggit ako. If I
yan,
do it,
mahilig naman ako dyan.
mukha akong alahera. Yung hindi siya bagay sa akin.
Ako naman lumaki sa panahon ni Wonder Woman, kaya paramihan kami ng mga bangle.
Ako
Kayang-kaya
din.
namin yan.
I love.
Ako,
do you remember?
scary, Mars.
I love
Do you remember
accessories.
Sepa?
Yeah, I
Cebu?
love
Yes.
Sepa.
Oh my gosh, I loved accessories
Is
before.
Sepa still there?
I think so.
Hanapin natin
love
mamaya.
Sepa.
But I
mga
loved
chunky earrings.
accessories.
Kaya ko yan, pero yung hindi ko carry yung mga madaming kwintas.
Bet na
Marami
bet yan.
dito. Parang I tried doing that one time and somebody made a comment na, uy, very ninang lang ha.
Ako pag may event lang naman, yung mga tipong may mga bracelet,
ingit
nag-ano nga ako
na ingit ako.
armband.
Ang
As I love
Ako
it.
gusto ko kasi yung nag-layer ng
Kain
gano'n.
oras yan. Tinry ko rin yan minsan,
Pero
hindi ko
hindi ko
na-achieve.
siya carry.
Oo.
Ako,
Hindi
Mars,
ko talaga siya carry.
the only reason kung ba't hindi ko na siya magawa ngayon, kasi yung mga
Sumasabi?
dati kong binili, iitim na.
Oo, yun lang.
Siyempre, hindi siya
Na-stock
totoong
na.
gold.
Oo, na-stock
I was
na.
just buying, just
Accessories
accessories.
lang.
And
Oo.
so, yung mga gold ko, yung pag sinuot ko, itim yung Lego.
Kumakapit na.
Oo, kumapit na siya. Kaya hindi ko na siya magawa, Mars. But I do love accessories.
Pero ang ganda nga ng fashion kasi nag-evolve din siya depending
Yes.
on your age, depending on your stage of life, di ba? What's appropriate at the,
The
same
people
time.
around you.
And it's true. It could just be a phase also. So,
Yeah.
enjoy it also. It might be a time where you want to dress up like Heart Evangelista.
Push!
Diba? Push! But yeah, I guess as life goes on, you also just gotta make adjustments to
To your wardrobe.
your wardrobe, your taste, your reality, especially once you become a mom.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yan ang life. Oh, so guys, kita-kits sa next episode.
Of course!
Decluttering na tayo.
Oh, isunod na natin agad yan dito sa
Kami ang iyong mga